So in this Ticketmaster tutorial video, I'll be showing you guys how to buy NFL tickets here on Ticketmaster. So once Ticketmaster is opened up, I want you guys to go to the top here to where it says sports and then go ahead and press on that. Now, once you guys are here, you can either select an area of your choice or perhaps your current location. So right now for me, it says near New York City, but you can go ahead and select my current location. You can type in a city, whatever the case may be. Now, once you guys are here, a bunch of different options, and you can go to where it says my dates or all dates right here. You can go ahead and select the date. So for example, NFL, if I wanted to select Sunday, November 2nd, just as an example, I can go ahead and press on apply that way. Now, it's going to tell you a bunch of events right here, but if you want to go to the top where it says all sports right here, you can go to where it says football as well, and it can kind of refine your search to football. So, for example, this date, the New York Giants played the San Francisco 49ers. We can go ahead and press on the blue arrow this way. Now, once you're on this page right here, it'll then redirect you to where you can select your seat. So go ahead and press agree here. You guys can view the map right here. So if you want to switch to the map, you guys can kind of view an area of the stadium that you want to perhaps go to, as well as show you the price. So for example, if I wanted to go ahead and change the filters right here, I can go to the best seats, the lowest price. You can kind of change the price filters this way. It doesn't really matter. So for example, if I wanted to select this seat right here, I can go ahead and type in the tickets as well as show you guys the price. That you can go ahead and press on next, but you can also too sort of view, an idea on what your seat would look like. So once you guys are on this page right here, you can go ahead and verify your seats as well as the delivery method, in this case mobile. For payment, you can go ahead and add a card, a credit or debit card. You can pay with PayPal or Venmo as well. There is ticket insurance you can buy as well as just kind of scroll down. You guys can view the total this way and place an order right at the bottom by pressing the green button. So very simple, very straightforward. That's how you guys can buy NFL tickets here on Ticketmaster. Thanks again for watching, and I hope this video helps.